I've got a new client in the UK for house mover services. It's a very competitive niche. Client goals maximum calls in lowest cost, which of course is for everybody. Everybody wants that. His account, Google Ads account, is new. Which campaign you recommend for this niche? It's not about the niche or whether the account is new or not. First of all, what budgets they have. First thing is what I look at. If it's a small budget, then I would focus on the search network. If they have got a bigger budget and budget where they can test other stuff and build up, put some budget towards their branding and the brand awareness as well, then I would also look at YouTube and Google Display Network. I'm not just saying that you only have branding campaigns being run on Google Display Network and YouTube. You can also run campaigns with direct call to actions, and once they are dialed in, they work wonderfully well. Again, house moving is like others is very competitive niche because everybody is vying for that for top spot. Now, the good thing for you is this is not an emergency kind type of business where somebody has got a leaking tap, a, a really a severe pain in the teeth, and so on, and you want instant solution to that problem. You need a plumber straight away. You need to go to the dentist straight away. You locked yourself out of your home or your car. You lost your keys, and you need somebody to help you straight away. You're not going to look around for 10 websites and get 10 prices and quotations from 10 different people and then decide, yeah, whoever is the first one, and if he or she is reasonable, you're going to call them. In house moving service, from my experience, people are going to look around and they are going to search around, get different prices, offers, and so on. Whilst they are in the search mode, you need to hit them at every touch point. And the best way to do that is to set up a remarketing campaign or set up a custom segment audience of all your other competitor sites and tell Google, show my ads to this kind of audience who go to these websites. And then you'll start to see some um really good clicks, very targeted clicks on your website. And then it's a case of, tweaking the offer to start getting those conversions on your site. So if I was you, I would start off with search and then put a little bit of um, budget on Performance Max because Performance Max goes everywhere. YouTube, display, Gmail, Maps, pretty much everywhere. So you've got less work and you're hitting them at every touch point.